Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login Aid channel. Today I will be showing you how you can block a mail on Yahoo. Now first of all you need to get logged in into your Yahoo account through the web browser. Now open any browser on your PC that you have been currently using. Once you open the browser, you open a new tab and type in yahoo.com on the address bar, then press enter. You will be directed to the official homepage of Yahoo. You need to click on sign in at the top of the right side. Then here you provide your email address, click on next, provide the password for the account, type in the password over here, then click on next. Now you have been logged in into your Yahoo account. Now here you need to check your mail at first. You need to open your mail section. Now once you are inside the inbox page of your Yahoo account, you open any particular mail and if you look carefully you can see the options given in the top. Here archive, move, delete, spam, and just beside that a dotted horizontal line. You click on it, you will see the option of block sender. You click on it. Please verify that you want to block messages from the following email senders. You need to make a tick mark on the checkbox. Now here's if you want to delete the future emails, you need to have the checkbox tick mark. It's similar deleting the existing mail. If you want to delete the previous mail that the sender has sent you, you can click on it, then click on OK. Deleting conversation and the sender has been blocked. With this process, you can very easily block an email or a resender in Yahoo account of yours. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can block a sender in your Yahoo account. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel if this video was useful to you. Thank you.